Welcome back. In this, the last section of the program, we shall discuss valid points of care and safety with mega-ohmmeters. Any battery-operated meter must periodically have its battery checked and, where necessary, replaced. Remember to observe the correct polarity when replacing a battery. Do not store a battery-operated instrument for long periods with its battery in place. Rather, remove the battery to avoid corrosion damage. Inspect the test leads, which should not show signs of damage either on the insulation or at the probes. Keep the test leads clean and coiled, not twisted, and store them with the meter in the protective case. Some other points to keep in mind are: 1. Never connect the instrument to a live circuit. 2. Discharge any capacitors in a circuit to avoid a surge into the meter. 3. Keep your fingers away from the test probes or clips during the mega test. Finally, when selecting a mega tester, ensure that its rated voltage output is at least twice the rated voltage of the apparatus that you are testing. For example, on a 380-volt motor, a test voltage of 760 volts minimum is required. Therefore, select a meter that will generate at least 760 volts. Usually, we would use a 1000-volt rated meter on such an application. We urge you now to practice working with your megameter on projects allocated to you by your instructor or course controller. Join us again in other Tech AV productions.